Hello everyone, congratulations. If you're watching this video, it means that you have completed the collaborative project for our course. So, what do you think? Is it enjoyable? Do you have an interesting experience? You may feel exhausted by this project, but I strongly believe that you also had a wonderful experience and learned a lot of things. In this final phase of the project, I have instructed you to do an evaluation of yourself and your peers during the project by using the 6C plus instruments. 6Cs are the skills considered by education experts as the most essential skills needed by the students in the 21st century. These skills, comprising of creativity and innovation, critical thinking, communication, collaboration, character, and cultural citizenship, are the essential skills that you need to acquire in order to survive in the 21st century, both in the classroom and in the real world. By using the 6 plus, another indicator that I added to the instrument, which is contribution to the project, you can measure your own and your peers' readiness for life in the 21st century. Are you ready? Or do you still need to improve yourself in one or more areas of the 6 Cs? Which one? Through this collaborative project, you have witnessed how these skills are put to test in real life, and hopefully you learn something from it. There are two ways in using this instrument of evaluation. First, you can evaluate the scores and comments provided by your peers. Learn what they think about you and your contribution in the project. Some of you may disagree with your friend's opinion about you. Some of you may feel mistaken or misjudged. However, you also have to realize that this is how your friends think about you. Though it may be subjective, there are a lot of things that you can learn from your friends' comments on you. Reflect on this and see how you can improve yourself in the future. Another way of using this is to compare yourself and your friend's score. Are they similar or are they different? If they are similar, you can be sure that you have already had a high awareness of who you are and you know well how to improve yourself. If they are different, you may also reflect on why they are different. This may lead you to understanding yourself better. All in all, I hope this learning activity can help you improve yourself and get better prepared for your future in the real life. Hopefully, you can learn a lot from this collaborative experience and you enjoy this learning experience. Thank you and see you in another course.